Usually we install our back-end software onto your system, make a solid connection to that data. We'll do a general user training off of our training database. And during that training, we would allow you all of the flexibility to customize what you see in Vista Quote directly. Once we've done that customization, then we do kind of a live session 2 user training where we would ask you to log on to Vista Quote yourself and walk through the steps with us throughout the quoting process, doing email signature setups, customizing your outgoing quote, just general account settings and defaults, and just make sure everything looks as expected on your side. Once we've done that, we go to like a 2-week training or testing period where we have high alert on your account here within Embry Hill. And essentially, we are here, you're our highest priority customer during that time so that we can consistently assist you with any questions. Maybe we went over something in training and you think, I know that we went over that, but I just can't remember where they clicked. Like, we have all of the capability to support you in that manner. We do have a live chat on the website. So just like any other live chat, you click a button, it essentially rings every single person in our company. Jason is quick to pick it up. We can't ever beat him. So he'll jump on there with you and answer any questions. We'll create a ticket if we have further steps required. You'll also get communication via our internal CRM, which is Zoho, that basically identifies we've created a ticket and what the statuses are. So we can do that via click. We also obviously always have the phone. And, again, that rings into our customer relations department, specifically Jason out of the gate. And then we have a support email address that we encourage you to use. The chat is your best route always to get a quick answer for something you're trying to do right away. We ask that you use the support email if you have a feature request. So if you say, will it do this? If that's the beginning of your question, that's where it should go, because it gives us some time to do an analysis and let you know, is it already in the development pipeline, or is it something that we want to consider going forward? And kind of interesting about your account, in our initial conversations, we had some discussions about a feature that we're actually throwing in development right away, which is the capability to have a drop-down menu from the part view that will automatically bring that part number up in Boeing as long, or Textron or Rockwell Collins. So it was such a, valuable thought and idea for our software that we threw it into the development queue. It's not done, and I'm not sure when it will be, but it is definitely something that we recommend, request, and encourage, because we really appreciate the industry insight for user interface and capabilities. So, and that's a little bit about our support system. After that couple-week period, then we're going to go into go live, and that's officially the transfer over to customer relations with Jason. And again, we still provide the same level of support with your subscription, so nothing really changes. It's just we're just going into our queue. Our reactionary time is quite phenomenal, I'll be honest with you. So we are definitely here to support you as our customer, and we want you to be successful with VistaQuote.